Hey!
We're going to make sure that we do absolutely nothing to interfere with the Mueller investigation. That is very, very important to us. But I can tell you that as far if Adam, he's right, so that's fine. But we're going to have a lot more comments coming out later on. Right now, my major concern is making sure that our government is opened up. But as far as this hearing is concerned, we put out our statement. It's a very limited statement, and we plan to do what the American people have asked us to do. That is to conduct hearings with integrity, with transparency, with honesty, and most importantly, accountability. I think people need to, the American people all have an opportunity to hear from him, from Mr. Cohen, and their representatives, that is representatives on the Republican side and the Democratic side, will have an opportunity to ask him questions. And I think the American people will see that it did matter, that their votes did matter, and that we opened it up for transparency. We are in search of the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. And so that's where we stand, and that's all I have to say. Thank you.
We welcome his testimony before the Congress. It's my understanding that he doesn't intend to address the Russia investigation in his open testimony. He is going to need to answer questions about it, and we're in contact with the attorney. We hope that he will come in voluntarily to testify before the Intel Committee in closed session. So we have been in negotiation with that about that for some time, and we hope to wrap that up soon. He hasn't agreed, but I think there's good likelihood, I hope, that he will. We would like to have him come in voluntarily testimony, but at the end of the day, there are questions he needs to answer. He testified once before our committee. He wasn't fully forthcoming. He's accepted responsibility for that, but that has raised questions that we need answered. I don't want to make a representation on behalf of the special counsel. We will obviously be in consultation with special counsel about his testimony before our committee, but we need to get a full accounting of what took place. He's in a unique position to help us do that, and so we look forward to having his testimony before our committee.
So do you understand?
Mr. Cohen has cooperated. Mr. Cohen will continue to cooperate. Sentencing is set for December 12th.
Mr. Cohen, how are you feeling? Mr. Cohen, how are you feeling?